What if I told you that you have the power to rewire your brain for more joy in your life? Welcome to Uplift and Explore. Do you want more excitement and happiness in your life? I will share secrets behind the process, as I reveal to you simple techniques backed by science from an incredible phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Look no further. I am going to guide you through techniques to do just that. Watch until the end. Neuroplasticity is the brain's superpower. Here are the reasons why. When we learn a new skill or work on something that we are passionate about, our brain creates new pathways to transform and evolve. These techniques are proven to help release feel-good brain chemicals and elevate your mood. When you are immersed into hobbies, meditation, exercise, gardening work, anything you enjoy, the successful feeling releases the happy dopamine effect. You will have that extra step in your walk. Happy hormones boost your enthusiasm and motivation to keep going. Plan projects on the calendar. It increases your anticipation and gives you events to look forward to, as it adds an element of surprise and excitement. Furthermore, it releases happy hormones at the same time. Endorphins can also produce the feeling of euphoria. Here are the 6 techniques to further increase your happiness. You definitely want to hear what's next. Test studies were performed by renowned neuroscientists on participants who had little or no experience with meditation. Their brain was scanned before the 8-week period of meditating for 30 minutes a day and again after. It was clearly evident that there was a noticeable difference on how just 30 minutes daily for 8 weeks can have a positive impact on the structure of the brain. The final result concluded that there was a significant increase in the gray matter density in several regions of the brain, linked to memory retention, better focus, attention, self-regulation, and more. There was also a significant decrease in the volume of the amygdala. This means better emotional regulation and lower stress levels as a result. Meditation is a powerful tool for nurturing the mind and soul. Are you ready to take your mind to the next level? Let's dive into the next technique. Number 2, setting goals for the dopamine boost. Dopamine is classified as a neurotransmitter that motivates us towards rewards. In other words, when we envision the rewarding results of what we are working towards, dopamine is released and further motivates us to keep going. Achieving small milestones gives you a sense of purpose. It also gives you something to look forward to and releases a boost of dopamine in the process. This is why it is important to break down a large goal into smaller, achievable goals. Try to picture the successful result periodically. Number 3, keep a gratitude journal that involves writing down about 20 things you are grateful for. Apart from that, just thinking about what you are grateful for can boost your serotonin and dopamine levels to feel happy. When we express appreciation for what we have and consider every moment as a miracle, we attract more positivity. For example, as I drive to work each morning, I give thanks for the nice, paved roads, beautiful trees, and flowers. The list can go on and on. It is a positive way to start out your day as you activate brain chemicals. Number 4, physical exercise daily can significantly boost endorphins, reduce stress, and increase your overall well-being. Even a short daily walk can make a difference. Physical exercise can help you feel better about yourself. If you go for a walk or time yourself to tackle 10 to 15 minutes of exercise a day, it reduces your stress level and releases those feel-good brain chemicals. If you make exercise part of your daily routine, it can give you a boost to your energy levels. When we exercise on a regular basis, we seem to eat better too. Overall, our health improves as a result. Number 5, social interactions with others are vital for our happiness and give us a sense of belonging. Positive social interactions are so important to our well-being. When we connect with others, our oxytocin increases while producing feelings of love and acceptance. Doing something kind for others not only helps the recipient to feel happy, but also boosts your own happiness. Start by including these techniques into your life and watch for the transformation to a more joyful life. Thanks for watching and join us for more videos. Please leave a comment if it helped you.